Dekor Plus Refill Bags by Many Things 4-pack, Fits by Many Things is one of the best baby diaper pail liners products. Precise Fit. The manufacturer's disposable liners are specifically designed and tested for Dekor Plus pails to ensure precise fit. We've included a step-by-step installation guide to ensure ease of usage. Durability. The manufacturer's diaper Dekor Plus refills are made of strong premium plastic to ensure minimal risk of tear. No unexpected surprises of finding a ripped bag when opening your pail to empty out the trash. Bonus, odor control. Each box contains 4 Mazo bamboo air purifying bags. Just place at bottom of pail and swap the old for a new one each time you refill the liner. This is an all-natural and powerful way to consistently keep your nursery odorless and dry of humidity for your precious little one. End of bag indicator. Black strip attached to indicate 18 inches left until end of bag. No more guesswork, you'll know exactly when to refill the liner. Budget-friendly choice. 4-pack Dekor Plus diaper pail refills holds up to 2,360 diapers. Get more, spend less, and allocate your money to more important things for you and your family.